Hey gearheads! Today we're taking a look at the CPP Grand Slam Kit with modular 2.5-inch drop spindles and big brakes. If you're building a 1963 to 1966 Chevy C10 and you want the right stance, better stopping power, and a complete suspension and brake upgrade in one package, this is the kit you need to know about. This kit is designed for the 1963 through 1966 Chevy C10 5-lug trucks and gives you a complete front and rear upgrade package built around stance, performance, and drivability. CPP lists this kit with 2.5-inch modular drop spindles, 13-inch drilled and slotted rotors, twin-piston 52mm calipers, front brake hoses, front and rear coil springs, shocks, and a brake booster package. A lot of classic C10 owners start with the same problem. The truck looks good, but it still drives, stops, and sits like an old truck. The factory suspension can feel loose. The original brakes may not give you the confidence you want in modern traffic. And if you're trying to lower the truck, you don't want to piece together parts that may or may not work well together. That's where the CPP Grand Slam Kit comes in. This is a complete package designed to give your C10 a lower stance, upgraded braking, and better overall road feel with parts that are made to work together. This kit includes CPP's modular 2.5-inch drop spindles, which are a key part of the stance upgrade. Unlike some drop spindle setups that can push the wheels out too far, CPP's modular drop spindles only move the wheels out about 1/4 inch per side, helping keep wheel fitment more manageable while still giving the truck a lower, cleaner look. For braking, this kit steps things up with CPP's Big Brake Kit, featuring 13-inch drilled and slotted rotors and twin-piston 52mm calipers. The calipers are available in your choice of red or black, so you can match the style of your build. The kit also includes a brake booster, and CPP notes that booster size is customizable, with the 9-inch booster commonly recommended. You also get front and rear coil springs and shocks. The front spring options include stock height, 1-inch, 2-inch, or 3-inch drop springs, while the rear spring options include stock height, 3-inch, 4-inch, heavy-duty 4-inch, or 5-inch drop springs. That means you can dial in the stance you want instead of being locked into one fixed ride height. The big advantage here is that this is not just a brake kit, and it's not just a lowering kit. It's a full upgrade package. You're addressing stance, braking, ride height, and overall drivability at the same time. For a classic C10 that's still running older suspension and brake components, this can make a major difference in how the truck feels on the road. The 2.5-inch drop spindles help bring the front of the truck down while maintaining good suspension geometry. The spring options let you fine-tune the final ride height, and the 13-inch big brake setup gives the truck a much more serious braking package than a stock-style setup. One of the standout features of this kit is the modular drop spindle design. For C10 builders, wheel fitment matters. You want the lowered look, but you don't want the wheels pushed way out where they create clearance issues. CPP's modular spindle design helps with that by keeping the track width change minimal, only about 1/4 inch per side. That's a big deal when you're planning wheel and tire fitment, especially on a lowered truck. The other major upgrade is the big brake package. You're getting 13-inch drilled and slotted rotors with twin-piston 52mm calipers. This kit is a great choice for anyone building a 1963 to 1966 Chevy C10 who wants a complete CPP matched package instead of mixing and matching parts from different setups. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out. That's it for this video, and remember, for parts that are built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive, make sure your ride is CPP equipped. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.